What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making that smoked bologna. Ha! Let's get it. All right, you guys, let's get into these ingredients. So I'm gonna be using this Danos right here, original seasoning. Also gonna be using this Pork Perfect pork rub from Fire and Smoke. And that's pretty much all we're gonna need for this. We're gonna go ahead and take this bologna, slide this over. All right, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and scorch it long ways, probably about an inch and a half a piece, probably an inch and a half this way. And then we're gonna coat it with a little bit of mustard and put that seasoning on. So let's go ahead and get this thing scorched. All right, so now that we got it scorched like we want it, we're gonna take some yellow mustard, go ahead and coat it. All right, go ahead and take some of your Danos. All right, take some of that barbecue rub. All right, we're gonna let this hang out for about 15 minutes while we get the smoker ready. All right, see you in a minute. All right, we got the smoker sitting at 250. We're gonna go ahead and place it on. I got it on the grilling rack, so it'll be a lot easier for me to move it around. I'm just gonna sit it right there in the middle. All right, it's gonna take about 2.5, 3 hours. We'll check on it about every 45 minutes and see what it's looking like. All right. All right, there we go. We're sitting at 2 hour mark right now. That's what it looks like. Probably leave it on here for about 30 more minutes. Hey, it'll be time to take this thing off, slice it up. Hey, you know what time it is. All right, catch you in a minute. And bam, check this out right here. Got that smoked bologna right off of that pellet smoker. You know I had to cut a piece and make my famous fried bologna and egg sandwich. Had to do it. Had to do it. Man, it's only 2 ingredients on this thing. Got that dang on Danos original. Got that pork perfect from Fire and Smoke. Man, just make sure you baste it with a little mustard. Coat this thing. Hey, throw it on that smoker, set it and forget it. Hey, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, you know my motto. It's time to eat.